Hi friends, another week of snack meals for my toddler Ayeye. This is Sitso from Sitso's Home Economics and you're welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Monday. Monday for Ayeye's protein, she's having KFC chicken and she's going to have a sachet of tomato ketchup to go with that. These are boiled peanuts. They are currently in season and so I have removed the husk so Ayeyi can have the peanuts. A box of soya milk for her, and for her fruits she's having cut watermelon that is going to give her some vitamins and minerals. I always like to pack either fruits or vegetables in my daughter's snack pack. Even if she doesn't eat everything, she sometimes at least eats half of it, and that is good enough for me. For her treats, she's having dried pears. In addition to all of this, she's having yogurt in a cup, and so I added a spoon to it for her so that when she's ready to eat it, she can use the spoon for that. These are multivitamins that come in the form of gummy bear, and so my daughter likes to chew it. She thinks it's candy, but it's multivitamins, and I like giving it to her on a daily basis when we have some available. And so this is for Monday. She has a bottle of water and it goes into her lunch bag. On Tuesday, she's having the remaining peanuts because she didn't finish everything the day before, which was Monday. And so I decided to give her the rest of the peanuts. For proteins, I gave her sausages. These sausages look a little bit burnt, but they are okay. She will still eat them, so I don't have a problem with that. For her carbs, she's having bread, which I sliced and into strips. For the for her spread, sorry, I gave her a mixed berry fruit preserve called Butcher's Bunches. It's handcrafted preserves, a mixture of berries. So there's blueberry and there's strawberry all in this preserve. I did this voiceover after Ayeyi had had her snack, so I can tell you that she did not enjoy these preserves one bit. I actually thought she would spread it on the bread just like I'm doing in the video, but it didn't go as planned. She didn't like it, and later I tasted it and I also really didn't like it. It's not sweet, it's kind of sour, and so yeah, we both didn't like it. On this day I didn't have fruits for her, and so in addition to her chocolate milk box drink, I gave her an extra box of orange juice. Also added her bottle of yogurt and a bottle of water, and Yes, for her treats, she had one one dried pear, one dried pear, together with her multivitamin gummy bear. These are fruit snacks in the form of jelly, and so I gave her only two in addition to the dried pears. So we are done for Tuesday. I packed all this into her lunch bag. I added ice packs to it to keep everything cool and still fresh when she's ready to eat. On Wednesday, she had a box of chocolate milk, soya milk, chocolate milk, chocolate soya milk box drink. For her fruits, she had watermelon, sausages for her proteins. This time I didn't burn them. They look just fine. These are biscuits, locally made biscuits called Ayigbe biscuits. They are made from cassava starch, sugar, and I think wheat flour. I'm yet to do a video on how to make it. I found somebody who makes them, the person I usually buy from, and she's willing to do a video with me on how she makes them. So please stay tuned and watch out for that video. For her nuts, I'm giving her this snack called jowe. Jowe is also known as adakwa in Twi. It's a mixture of roasted corn, milled corn, peanuts, and some spices, ginger, etc. It's molded into a ball, and we eat them here in Ghana as a snack. For her treats, she has dried mangoes, and I'm also giving her multivitamin gummy bear. Chocolate coated biscuits called Hey Hey. She really loves this biscuit. I remember also enjoying it very much when I was younger, and so my daughter also likes it too. Actually, we eat it together at home. I won't lie. And so we are done for Wednesday. A bottle of water and a bottle of yogurt. And you're welcome to Thursday. She has a box juice, series box juice, mangoes for her fruits. My daughter really loves mangoes. Mangoes, avocados, oranges, pineapple, apples. These are her favorite fruits, and so I make sure I put one type of fruit in her snack bowl every day. Again, she had her jowe or adakwa, and for her protein, she's having fried anchovies. Fried anchovies. We call them 1 mouth thousand here in Ghana. She loves eating them as snack, and so once in a while when we do have it at home, I add it to her snack box as protein. These are homemade biscuits given to us by Ayeyi's Auntie Saba. Thank you so much for our homemade biscuits. We love them. Keep them coming. We want more. These chocolates are made here in Ghana by the Cocoa Processing Company. They are chocolate balls. There are some that are peanuts that are coated with chocolate. These ones, yes, they have nuts in them. It's really, really nice, and I like to give it to my daughter as treats. In addition to these chocolate balls, I'm giving her the multivitamin that comes in the form of a gummy bear, a bottle of yogurt, and bottle of water. And we are done for Thursday. On Friday, she had a box of soya milk, watermelon for her fruits, these are silicone cupcake cups that I sometimes use in a lunchbox when I need to add nuts or treats or stuff like that to a snack box. And so in her silicone cupcake cups, I put in coated nuts. These are coated nuts called Nkatia Boga, made here in Ghana. For her protein, she had boiled eggs. And for her carbs, I'm giving her this oat digestive biscuit, also made here in Ghana. We love our hey hey, don't we? So for her treat, she's having chocolate coated biscuits called hey hey, and this mint candy. And it has a wrapper around it, so I'm just taking off the wrapper so that she can eat it when she's ready without struggling to take off the wrapper. A confit fresh pineapple juice in a box. This is also made in Ghana, very delicious, very refreshing. And so Ayeyi prefers the pineapple one. They have pineapple and ginger. And she reminds me that, Mommy, I don't want the pineapple and ginger. I don't want the yellow pack. I want the green one. And so I always make sure that I pick the green one over the yellow boxed one for her. So with a bottle of water, we are done for Friday. Click the like button and also share this video if you enjoyed it. Click the notification bell to be prompted whenever I upload a video. Also join Sitso's Home Economics family by clicking on the subscribe button. I'll see you. Bye.